stock just squeezed over 900%. And if you missed it, this is exactly how I caught it step by step for a massive 20-point move. So give me 60 seconds and I'll explain so simple that even your grandma could have traded it. Now, that stock today was SMX, and it was a massive short squeeze. Now, as you know, it was on my free stock watch list last night, so you should have been watching it. And just like I said on last night's watch list, let's watch this for holds over $20 today for the range to 50 and 70. And the reason why 20 was so key is it was this past daily high before we got into this big gap on the daily time frame. Now, what I noticed here were these big wicks off the high 1, 2, and 3 times this morning before market open, which allowed a lot of shorts to hop on in. See, this tried to curl higher this morning, but again, a massive rejection off the high where shorts are then piling in because they're thinking, man, this thing is done. Then it opens up and tries to break higher and again halts down, and again more shorts pile in. So you have a ton of shorts in this looking for this thing to go cracking down with a stop loss in place at 38 and 41. So we knew if price did break those levels, shorts would then scramble to cover and be buying up like crazy at these higher prices, driving this thing to squeeze. So knowing that, I knew price first had to get over this $40 level, which is that high from pre-market where we saw that massive rejection. As we know, what happens before the breakout is more important than the breakout itself, and we can actually prevent ourselves from getting faked out. This really was a picture-perfect breakout. As we can see here, this massive area of consolidation puts in place a ton of volume through this range, giving us this beautiful volume shelf, which acts as a level of support once this thing does get breaking out. And look at all this volume through here. Beautiful. Once price breaks out, it's also tight over the 90 EMA with VWAP trailing right below, so limited downside risk, not overextended at all. The break of the high of day and the break of the high from pre-market as well, all lined up together. It doesn't get much better than this. So once price broke out over that past high, nailed the entry off the pullback with a stop loss at the bottom of this candle right here. As price broke higher, just trailed my stop loss to the next 1 minute low, and then price just kept on halting up and halting up and halting up, and I just kept on trimming up into strength until I eventually got stopped out beneath the low of this candle for a massive win. And that's it. That's all you do. And by doing that, I caught a $20 per share move in less than 3 candles. All caught live trading with my students like always. If you have not already, grab your 7-day free trial. This is going to heat the market up a ton going into December and the rest of the year. It's going to be a ton of fun, so I'll see you there.